Welcome to the first episode of baking with me, the baker. I'm making a cookie, chocolate chip cookies, and we got the chocolate right here, and I really don't know what I'm doing, but I just made dinner, and I guess I got like shit out from dinner, and but we're gonna make a cookie. First step is butter. Butter, yes. I got some butter. It says that in that recipe that I read, but I read a recipe because I wasn't gonna do this, without fucking. I wasn't gonna make a cookie without like reading a recipe or something. So I read the recipe, but I didn't have everything for it. So I'm just gonna I'm gonna work this. We're gonna put that in for like 2 minutes. That sounds good. There we go. So you put first step. You put butter in the microwave. See, look, the butter's in the microwave. You put the butter in the microwave for a couple minutes. Now so we don't have, like, my mom. Yeah, I'm home from college, so I'm at my mom's house. Let me put some light on because it's not enough light in here for the shot. So she only has like fancy bullshit. It's not that fancy. It's from Trader Joe's, but it's like some bullshit. So we're only gonna be able to get that. Something's wrong with. Yeah, we're only gonna be able to get that. Whoa. What the fuck? I guess that was enough. It exploded. It's fine. It's fine though. It's fine. It's fine because yeah, if you take a look in there, it's just if your butter explodes all over the microwave, make sure you clean it up. Or at least just like wipe it down so no one can never see. Okay. So yeah, now I put a little bit, that seems like enough. Maybe a little more. There you go. And you get the sugar. What else was I? Sorry about that, my dudes. I was just checking something, but I forgot to put more sugar in there. Just a little more sugar. That looks good. And so we take in the vanilla and we take it like maybe a fork or something, and just that combine. See, look at this. Now we're gonna taste this mixture. See if it's like got enough sugar. No, it definitely needs a little bit more sugar. So you're gonna put more sugar in that. So this is good enough. All right, and so then we hold on. So so we take the flour. Look at this. See, the thing is that like Trader Joe's is like the closest thing. So we don't like have to so that's flour. So we put we put the egg in. Shit, put the egg in first. I forgot about the egg. So the thing is that I wanted to make like a serious amount of cookies, but we only got like 1 egg. So you know what? This might end up being like some super weird cookie, but I'm gonna see how it is. So you guys are gonna watch this whole process. So it's only got the 1 egg. And you watch this whole process. It's like me documenting, because normally when I cook, like, I don't tell anyone about it, or if I do, it's just me gloating, like, oh, fuck you, look how good at cooking I am, look how good I am at making food, and you fuckers. But you see, I don't follow recipes, because recipes are for pussies. Yeah, so, and we could put the egg. That's looking really nice. I think that's good. I think that's you know what? If it's not good, it'll be good. So we're gonna take this flour. Like, this is really hard to do with one hand. You know, it's like people always make that joke on the internet. It's like, fucking, how am I supposed to look at this with one hand? Because, you know, I'm using the other hand to, like, masturbate. Wow. So clever. At least I think they used to. When I was like a kid, they used to say that shit all the time. I don't know if they say it much anymore. So you gotta get like really, because you know when you make pasta, right? Like, you don't have to measure shit out. Like, who the fuck? If you're measuring shit out, still, you're basically a child. And if you're a child, that's okay. Whoa, the oven's done. So shut the fuck up. Shut up. I know you're done. Oh my god, that's so needy. So yeah, I think I put too much butter in, but that's not really that's not my problem. It is my problem. But it's gotta, you know, like when you're making pancakes and it's supposed to be like a little gloopy, I mean, that's probably fine. It's probably fine. Like, who the fuck cares? Who even cares? I mean, I'm gonna be eating, but who cares, really? Okay. The secret trick, I heard, the secret trick to a good cookie. The secret trick is you say love. They say, like, you gotta put some, you know, love, TLC, you know, and like, I don't believe that, because it just sounds like vaguely sexual, and like, I'm not gonna eat something that you put your quote unquote love into. Like, it's kind of gross, especially if they got like a dick, because that's like, you know, they're probably like jerking off in there, and you know, and there's nothing wrong with that if that's your thing. Like, I'm not saying there's anything wrong with that. Actually, you know what? I actually kind of like that. But here we go. So I think I'm not supposed to taste this because, like, okay, this is definitely needs. Wow. Okay, this is definitely not. Oh wait, I almost forgot the baking powder. Ooh, there's like nothing in here. I think we can just use like this amount. Like, that looks good. That looks like a good amount. So yeah, ooh. This is getting pretty thick. Thick. Yes. Fuck. Oh fuck. Okay, I'm gonna need like, I think like slightly more flour for this. But I think it's almost done. Like, that's definitely enough flour for the whole recipe. Like, okay, so here's the story, right? I'm alone. It's the 29th. Actually, it's the 30th today. So I'm alone on like a Sunday night. Which, by the way, there's nothing to be ashamed about if you're alone on a weekend. Like, plenty of people are alone every weekend. I mean, some weekends. It's not like weird to be alone on the weekend. Oh my god. Okay, this is okay. Oh, I forgot to butter the pan. Oh, shit, I have to take the butter. See, you get more butter, and you get you get yourself one of these. Ugh. And you take the butter. God. You put it in the, see, and then what happens is you put it in the microwave for like a minute. Because, okay, so last time we put it in for 2 minutes, and then after 1 minute it exploded, so it probably won't. It's like a whole minute. Might be like two. Oh shit, I forgot to put the cat back on. You guys, cooking is not easy. Like, last time I cooked, I made cookies. I was like, actually, I don't ever think I've actually made you know what? I've never actually. So here, we're finally putting the chocolate chips in, by the way. There we go. That's like a good amount. Yeah, okay. So what you're supposed to do is you make like a big ball, if you know what I mean. Okay, so you make a chocolate ball, your ball. Whoa! Okay, that's how we know it's done, because it exploded. Oops. But see, you take it and you just put it on the pan like so. And it's nice and oiled up now. You don't even have to fucking... Like, I think people, like, they make cooking videos and they're, like, so fucking prepped. They have, like, a million ingredients list and they're like, so here's what you gotta do. You gotta put some shit here and then you're gonna, you know, it's gonna turn out, etc. And you're like, wow, I'm never actually gonna make that because, fuck, like, I don't know. Like, who the fuck is gonna, like, go out and buy, like, some oddly specific ingredients to cook? Like, that's some bullshit. Oh, I gotta, Here's a hot tip. When you're working with dough, put some flour on your hands so that dough doesn't get on your hands. Hot tip. This is not gonna work so well, but it's gonna work fine. So you take the dough and you just, like, that's good. And you're just gonna do that, like, a bunch. I think this is gonna turn out really fucking weird. But it's fine, trust me. I'm gonna taste it. I'm gonna tell you how it is. And how it is gonna be fucking... Okay, this is gonna, like... Okay, this is gonna be really... Look at this. Look at this. Oh, God. Oh, God. God damn. It's gonna be really weird, guys. But, it'll be fine. So, we're gonna be fine. Okay, wow. Oh, Jesus. Fuck. Okay, well, I think it'll be fine because basically this is a cookie. Like, I know it doesn't look... I know it doesn't really look like a cookie. We'll be fine. I'm gonna come back when this is done. Alright, so just for fun, I'm gonna fry up some of this, I'm gonna take this off before it cracks. I'm gonna fry some of this, like, chocolate bullshit up. See what's gonna happen while we're waiting. So I don't know how this is gonna work. It'll probably be fine, but you know, whatever. I should just start at this point, state that I'm, like, a very experienced cook. Like, look at this trick. Okay, so you see this, you get your hand a little wet. And that's, you gauge, like, when it, like, how fast, so that's how you know it's, like, hot, but it's not really hot, because it's not burning very fast, but, like, when it gets really fucking hot, that's how you know it's ready. And, like, I don't think I'm explaining, but basically, when it's really hot, which is not right at the moment, but when it really gets to be, like, really hot soon, then okay, so, like, it's about to be really hot, so we're just gonna chill, like, 1 second, guys. Like, if you just wait 1 second, it's gonna be really hot, and then it'll look much cooler. So you take your hand, you get it, like, a little wet, and look at that. See? Okay, I learned that trick from Chef, the movie. Go check it out. Great film. What's his name was in it? Who was that fucking guy again? Jesus, I forget his name. Who is that guy? He's in a bunch of other movies. This is, like, really hard to do while I'm recording. Oh, I did it. This is like a pancake almost, but it's got, like, a bunch of other shit in it besides, like, pancake stuff. And I'm gonna taste this. See, did you see that flip there? You know how I learned how to do that? Because I'm fucking good. See, that's my shit, my pro skill. I learned how to cook with nothing but, like, half a testicle, my own wits. Look at this chocolate, like, it's not even really melted. Fuck. I burned that fucking chocolate. Just like shit. Alright, this is, like, not a cookie. It's, like, uncookie. Let's taste how my uncookie tastes. Let's see how it tastes. are fucking good. Alright, I just want to kind of say, that was a good cookie. It's not even a cookie. Like, I gotta fry that shit up. That's the thing about cooking, guys. It's really about, like, it's more about how you feel, you know? And, like, or something. I don't fucking know. Yeah. Okay, guys. Update number 1. Oh, you can see my thighs. Look how thick they are. Look at that. Look at that. All right. So, they're a little weird looking. They're not really cookies. It's like a pizza. But yeah. So we're gonna fuck with it a little, because that's what you do when you're cooking. You fuck. I'm not. By the way, I'm completely sober. I think that must be stated. At this point, I'm not drunk or high or anything. I'm sober. If I was not sober, I wouldn't be able to make this video. So we're gonna flip these because I think that is the right course. Look at that. Look at that. It looks exactly like the other one. These are not like cookies, like in the least. Like, they're not cookies, but that's okay, guys, because we're not out here to make a stupid fucking cookie. We're out here to make magic happen, and that's what's going on today. That's what's going on tonight. Magic. So there we go. We're gonna put those back in for, like, I don't know. It says 2 minutes, so we'll put it in for like a few more minutes, I guess. Shut the fuck! I know the door. You think I don't know the door's open? You fucking stupid oven. Jesus Christ. All right, guys. I think we're done here. I think they're done. So we're just gonna take them out. Like, okay, so you gotta admit, like, I literally just threw some shit in a bowl, and this looks pretty good for that. I think, and fuck you. Okay, I think that as someone who, like, literally just wanted some cookies and was like, oh, let's see if I can make cookies by just throwing some shit in a bowl. Like, this is a pretty good cookie. For that, like, let's just okay, so look at this. So I just cut off a little piece here, so let's just have that. It's pretty good. Like, not exactly a cookie. Gotta be real with you guys. This is not exactly what I would call a cookie in any sense of the word. I mean, except that, like, it's baked in a circular shape and it's cooked. But it's pretty good. So, I mean, I call this a success. Yeah, so, yeah. Oh, if you're expecting something stupid, or like creepy, or funny to happen at the end of the video, because, like, oh my god, this is, like, actually a spooky video. Well, it's not gonna happen. Yeah, okay.